Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. To replace components, first remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Open the toilet seat and lid. Lift the toilet seat upward. Use one hand to press the ceramic body while lifting upward. After separating the toilet seat lid assembly from the ceramic body, lift the seat lid assembly slightly and move it backward a bit. You will see the internal cables and hoses inside the toilet. First, pull out all the cables. Locate the corresponding cables and unscrew them. Finally, remove the inlet hose. It may be tight the first time. You can use a wrench to assist. After unscrewing, the toilet seat lid assembly will be completely separated from the ceramic body. With the toilet seat lid assembly removed from the ceramic body, first unscrew the mounting screws. There are 2 mounting screws on the side of the toilet. Remove the decorative cover. Under the cover is the mounting screw. There is another screw on the other side of the toilet seat lid assembly that also needs to be removed. Remove the mounting screws and set them aside. Lay the unit flat and use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the retaining clips. After separating the base and the cover, disconnect the cables. First, disconnect the cables. Since this model is special, the main board has a cover, which needs to be unscrewed. After removing the cover, you can unplug the cables. Because there's waterproof adhesive on it, it may be a bit tricky to remove. Gently detach the waterproof adhesive. Use a little force. And use some force to pull out all the cables from the cover. Finally, remove the ground cable, which is also fixed with a screw. Unscrew it. Now the cover and the base are completely separated. To replace the toilet seat, you first need to remove the toilet seat flipping motor. Disconnect the corresponding cables from the main board. Unscrew the mounting screws of the flipping motor. This is the toilet seat flipping motor. Once the cables are unplugged, the motor can be removed. Slightly lift the toilet seat lid assembly, and you can remove the old toilet seat. The seat's cables are fixed in a cable harness. You'll need to detach them. After disconnecting the toilet seat cables, remove the entire toilet seat. Take the new toilet seat for replacement. The cable goes through the base. These include the ground cable, sensor signal cable, and heating cable. Once the cables are in place, reinstall the toilet seat. Reinstall the toilet seat flipping motor. Pay attention to the orientation of the shaft when inserting it. Once the flipping motor is inserted correctly, tighten the mounting screws. After securing the screws, check to make sure everything is in order. Make sure the connector is properly fixed and reconnect the cable to the control board. Organize the remaining cables neatly. The toilet seat replacement is now complete. After replacing the parts, reconnect the cover cables to the main board. Make sure to tighten the ground cable screw. Check that no cables are left unconnected. Reinstall the decorative cover of the main board. The decorative cover also needs to be secured with screws. Alternatively, the decorative cover can be left off. Finally, check that all cables are properly connected. Close the cover. Tighten the mounting screws of the toilet seat lid assembly. Make sure to place the white rubber washer onto the screw. Assembly complete. Place the toilet seat lid assembly back on the ceramic body. Reconnect the corresponding cables to the ports on the toilet seat lid assembly. Each cable has an arrow indicator. Align the arrows to insert correctly. Incorrect connections will cause the component to malfunction. If a function is used when improperly connected, the toilet will not execute that function. After connecting the cables, tidy them up. Next, connect the two inlet hoses. Organize the rest of the cables underneath. Connect the cleaning inlet hose at this end. Be sure to screw it on tightly. Finally, pass the power cord through the bottom of the ceramic body. Arrange all the cables neatly. Once everything is in order, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.